Come Friday, Lane County will have a new district attorney, Chris Parosa. After winning the May election, he was slated to take over in January, but will start this week immediately following current DA Patty Perlow's retirement. KEZI 9 News reporter Joey Vaca sat down with the district attorney-elect and shows us what he aims to do right away.
Chris Parosa may be taking over the role of district attorney sooner than expected, but with years of experience in this office, he steps into the position ready to hit the ground running with a focused approach. After winning 67% of the vote in May's election, Parosa was supposed to take over in January. But earlier this week, Governor Tina Kotek officially appointed Parosa to the role because current DA Patty Perlow's retirement takes effect this Friday. Parosa says he's ready.
There was a little bit of, trepidation at that point, but I'm feeling better and better each passing day that we're ready to make the transition, and it's really a good time to do so.
And as he prepares to take over, Parosa says Perlow has been a big help, especially in his time as Chief Deputy District Attorney. He says she's done things like bring him into the decision-making process and get familiar with the community partners a DA needs to know. But he says she also walked him through things he hadn't dealt with before, like assessing budget or personnel issues.
Those were all very helpful, so I feel very good coming into this that I have enough experience to start off on a good foot, and she's left the office in really good shape going forward. So now I can get to kind of some agenda items that we have to deal with and address.
He says a lot of his time has been spent setting up Lane County's deflection program as outlined in House Bill 4002. I'm
attending 5 or 6 meetings a week where we are trying to organize a deflection program that's going to be effective in our community. It's a gargantuan challenge because we don't have a program like that around here at this point.
But Parosa says he's committed to making the program work to fight Oregon's drug crisis, which was the original intent of Measure 110. He says law enforcement now has a larger role in helping addicts move in a more positive direction again. And if Lane County's program is set up right, the community will benefit.
We can ultimately have those police contacts that we're already having with people who are using drugs openly in our community, but we'll be able to deflect them away from the criminal justice system and into treatment programs where there is some measure of accountability for them to complete programs and participate in a way that hopefully will help them.
With drugs being recriminalized again starting this September, Parosa says getting a program in Lane County up and running is one of the first agenda items he wants to tackle, but it's not the only one. Coming up tonight on a special edition of KEZI 9 News, you'll hear even more of Parosa's goals and expectations as he prepares to lead the district attorney's office. Reporting in Eugene, Joey Vaca, KEZI 9 News.